Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and today we have another video on a rough country product. Now, we've been doing a lot of videos lately, and you guys really enjoying them, and I think you're going to really like this one. I'll show you in a second why. But before we get going, if you have questions, that is our telephone number. Now, I will put a link of this product on the bottom of the YouTube video if you want to order it. Of course, you can always call us because you might have some questions, and it's always better to call us when you order this stuff. Now, we can ship it anywhere in the country, or you can come here to the store and let us install it for you. So what do we have here? Well, we got the new Ford Bronco here. Now, this is the two-door here, and this is what they Sasquatch. You know, it's actually, I'm sorry, it's a Wild Track. They tricked me with the little Bigfoot there. So what do we have here? Well, we have the new power boards by Rough Country, and I tell you, this is a great setup, and I'll tell you why. He just had it lifted. He's got some nice 37-inch tires there. Now, the factory boards would have rubbed on those, but the Rough Country, because they tuck up and go out of the way, he's got a lot better clearance. Now, these do come with LED light, so again, at night you can see where you're going to put your feet here. And being this fairly high lift, that's actually the lift's not high, the tires are tall. So you got a 2.5 inch with 37 inch, so it's some good 4 or 5 inches. And come over and take a look. Let me open this up so you can get a better look. That board, it's directly in the middle there, so it's really a great spot for it. Now, as you know, with the power boards are going to come a little lower, and they're going to come out a little further, so it's a lot easier, especially when you have a lift. Now, as you know, I am not a little guy, and it can handle my weight, no problem whatsoever. And Rough Country does a good job on their products, and I do like how they stand behind their products here. I'll go ahead and put all the warranty information in the bottom of the YouTube video. You can read up on it. Again, take a look at this. It works very smooth. I like it. Okay, it's also very quiet. I know some power boards, especially some of the factory ones, it's like clonk, clonk, clonk. You hear all kinds of noise. These are, you just hear a little bit of noise. Okay. There you go. So, I like these a lot. I think they're going to be a really good product especially for this vehicle. Now, I have power boards on my personal truck. I got a 6-inch lift with 37-inch tires, and the power boards make a huge difference. I know this guest is going to really like this, and actually how it sits here, I think it cosmetically looks good, even though you don't see a lot of it. But if he's going to do any real off-roading, it's nice to have all that clearance so you don't have to worry about damaging stuff. Again, buddy, take a really good look at this, and it is sharp. I gotta say, it's super sharp. I like this. Now, buddy, by the way, is behind the camera, is our master tech, and him and Kayla, our new guy, they worked on us today, and they got it done in time. We're just at closing time. That's why the sun is out, but these guys, they worked really good, and they got it all done. And I think this looks good, but the most important thing, it's gonna function good. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this was a review of the Rough Country power boards, the e-boards, and we can ship these anywhere in the country. And don't forget, hit that like button. You know, if you like what you see, hit it, and subscribe to the channel. You get to see all this new products always coming out, and you know, a lot of times you might not see people doing what we're doing here. Thank you very much for watching our video.